A lot of you guys were asking for some issues. How can I log in my Tradelocker? It is showing invalidation whenever I just log in my user ID and password. Not only that, but people were commenting on my video. How can I know what is the spread size and commission structure of any platform? So I'm going to show you how you calculate spreads and commission in any platform. So this is very detailed video, and make sure you watch this entire video because this video includes a lot of information. So if you watch this complete video, you don't have to look for any video on Tradelocker as well as on commission and lot size. So I'm going to clear every single doubt that you have. So if you have any problem with the Tradelocker, or you can't log in your Tradelocker, or you have any platform, if you are a trader in FundingPips or FunderPro, then this is very important video because both platform has Tradelocker. Or if you are looking forward to coming in prop trading, still it's important video for you. So make sure you watch this entire video because it includes very crucial information that you need to have. Also guys, if you're a new forex trader or prop trader, then you might have faced some issues with the risk management. So Tradelocker provides you a tool to manage your risk. So in this video I will showing you that also. So this video is complete guide A to Z, how you actually operate everything in Tradelocker and how actually you can manage your risk in any platform. Also I will show you every commission structure in FunderPro, what you need to give if you are trading a commodity or forex. If you are trading indices, then what you need to give to them. So this video is really informative. So before we dive into this video, consider hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to follow us on the social media, because mainly when you ask something on my IG, then I will just reply you instantly. So make sure you follow me. So without further ado, let's begin this video. Okay guys, so currently we are on the Tradelocker website. As you can see, the platform is pretty good. The platform is not pretty good because we are on the login page actually. So now what you need to do here, if you have any platform that provides you Tradelocker such as FunderPro and FundingPips most likely. So I won't recommend you to go with FundingPips because of their rules, because they constantly change their rules. But still, if you have that platform, you can come here in the Tradelocker. Okay, I'm not saying FundingPips never provide you payouts. Okay, it's genuine. Okay, but in terms of rules and regulations, it's pretty like bad. Okay, what you need to do here, simply this is the Tradelocker. If you have any demo challenge, like if you have the phase 1 and phase 2, you want to pass that, you want to pass your challenge with the Tradelocker, simply you need to come here and make sure this is demo. Okay, so right now if I have I have a $5,000 account in FunderPro, just to show you what is really commission and some spread size. Okay, so let's say if you have login in your FundingPips or FunderPro account with the email, so the same email that you entered there, you need to put that email here as well. Okay, so let's say if you put there abc@gmail.com, so it's something like hypothetical. So abc@gmail.com you put in the website of FunderPro, the same email you need to put here in the email section. Okay, so let's say in the password section, what you need to do here, simply if you have entered your password in the FunderPro or FundingPips, in that platform, that password is different, and the password that you are going to enter here, that password is different. So okay, so remember, for the password what you need to do, the same email that you put in your platform. Okay, on that email you will receive some credentials and where you will get the server name and password as well. So remember, the password that you put in the FunderPro or FundingPips, that is different, and the password that you are going to put in the Tradelocker, that is going to be different. Okay, so both password are different. Don't consider your platform password to here. Okay, so what let's say if you have a FunderPro account, okay, and in the FunderPro website you entered a password name subscribe. Okay, so you have subscribe password in FunderPro, and your password in the Tradelocker you received it and you got the like. Okay, so like this is your password in the Tradelocker. Okay, so it's something like that. So both should be different. Okay, so whatever password you received on your email, just enter here, and the server name is going to be FPR. Why FPR? Because F stands for the funder and P for pro and R for real. So FunderPro provides you real funding. That's why they are just naming it as a FPR. Okay. So it depends. Like you don't need to bother about it. You will get that onto your email. So simply put here, and after putting all the details, you can log in here. Now remember, this is for the challenge accounts. Okay. So if you have any challenge account, only enter these detail in here. So I don't know about the funding page, whether you need to switch to the live or not, because they don't provide you real funding, but FunderPro provides you real funding. So if you want to switch to live, click on here, and then if you get funded once, then you can click on here and enter the same details. Okay, but right now we are in the challenge phase, phase 1 and phase 2. So make sure this is demo here. Okay, and after entering all the details, you can log in here and you will redirect to the window, which I will show you here. But for now, as you can see, Discord and status page are here. So what does it mean? So simply, if you will click on the status page, then you can check all the systems are correctly working or not. So next updated 43 second, so it's updating in every 1 minute. So if you have any problem in the trade locker, if you are facing something, you can come here and check everything is working 100%, 99%, 98%. So it's pretty good. Okay, so now if you are seeing everything is working properly, even then you are not able to the login here. So there is a problem in your network, or maybe in problem in the trade locker as well. Okay, so you can contact them by just going to their Discord server, and I recommend you to go with the platform first and then contact the trade locker. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. If you have any problem, you can go there. Okay, so after entering all the details, simply you need to log in and you will redirect to this kind of window. Okay, so this is here. I'm on the gold chart on the 15-minute time frame, and you can see the clarity. Okay, everything is pretty clear. It's not like other platforms. So as you can see, this is Tradelocker, and it's seems like a trading view. Okay, and it is. So you can call it mini trading view or whatever, but it contains a lot of features, even more than the trading view. Okay, so everything is here unnamed. If you want to save any layout, you can do that here, but let's move on to the real thing. So this is the gold chart. Okay, if you want to execute any order, simply come here, and you are not seeing anything here. Just click here. Okay, so this is order panel. Okay, so once you click on the order panel, you can see it's showing ZAUUSD.pro, and this is the market order. So if you want to buy or sell, you can click here, and in the market order, yeah, it will execute your order. So it's simple and straightforward. Now I want you to know about one feature which I will show you later, but first, as you can see, everything is given here. So if you want to put a horizontal line, come here and put like this. So yeah, whatever you had in the trading view, everything is same like that. Okay, so brush tool, text tool, emojis, and measurement tool. You can measure what amount of pips you want to lose or make. Okay, in Tradelocker there is something called risk management tool. Okay, so I will show you later. Like, it's very straightforward. If you want to put amount of risk that you want to lose, okay, like if you want to risk $50, you can simply put $50, and then it will set the lot size for you, or you don't need to bother about the lot size or something else. Okay, so let me show you that first. So let's say if I want to enter any position by 0.01 lot size, I can simply click on the Y and it will open here. Okay, so this is the market order. If you want to open any pending order, okay, so simply click on the market like this. Okay, so you can switch here. So this is the pending order, and this is draft. Okay, what does it mean? This is simply a horizontal type of line or order. So let's say if you want to put here it, let's say if I want to put here. Okay, so let's say if I want to put my order here and my stop loss goes here. So you can see if you are entering with 0.01 lot size, what amount you want to lose. Okay, it's given here $5. Now this is something that you need to do manually, but right now as I said, I will show you the risk managing tool. Okay, so this is pending order that you can place here. Now if I want to do anything in the market order, I can do exactly that things in the same way. Okay, now click on the risk. Okay, you are seeing this, click on the risk here, and now this is very good tool. I have seen in many platforms, but this is very simple here. I just click on the risk, and if you want to risk anything, like let's say if I want to risk $50, okay, simply click on the $50, and then this is your stop loss. And if you want to buy here, okay, so click on the Y, and then it will just simply give you the lot size. Now if I want to enter here, okay, as you can see, the lot size is 0.17. Okay, but if I want to enter right now here and you can see the lot size decreases as well, 0.05 lot. Okay, so it depends on your risk, okay, whether you want to enter directly or not. Okay, so it's simply, and I will trade here to show you what commission they charge, and also I will show you some spread size in the gold and other currency pairs as well. Okay, now so this is the order panel. Okay, if you want to remove it and want to clear your chart, then simply click on the order panel. It removes here, it removes from it, and just delete it. Now this is market panel. When you click on this, you can see the same window as trading view, and whatever instrument you want to trade, you can search here. And remember one thing, guys. Okay, so FunderPro is contains .pro. Okay, always remember, whenever you have two currency pair, you can see this is ZAO USD, this is ZAO USD as well, but remember you need to click on that pair, you need to trade that pair which contains .pro. Okay, this is necessary. Okay, everything is same, 11 pip spread and 12 pip spread. This is not pips. Okay, remember I am saying pips, but in reality this is not pips. So whatever measurement you are using, it's not like that. So you can see pip size is not that high because in the ASEAN session. Okay, I'm on the ASEAN session, you can check the timing 9:30, and yeah, this is the IST timing, so you can convert it to New York timing as well. So okay, don't even bother about that. Yeah, let me just convert that. So if you are from the New York, so let me just move it to there, and you can see this is the timing 00. Okay, so yeah, you can check here. I'm on the ASEAN session, so don't even need to bother about the spread size. If you are just having any doubt related to spreads, I will show you later with every currency pair, every single currency pair. And if you coming in the London session or New York session want to trade, you can come here, you will see nothing as a spread. Okay, so yeah, this is very good thing as well. So now right now, if you want to remove this market panel, click on here, and if you want to remove this, click here. Okay, and trades panel, this is trades panel where you can see all the metrics, what you traded here, what your closed position and pending orders, you can check all the things here. So yeah, if you have any issue with the network, you can check here. If it converts to the red, it means your network is not stable. If it's green, then it means your network is stable. So this is settings where you can change the something here. Okay, so this is also a good thing. Now guys, everything is done here, I think, because I showed you every single thing what you needed here, every tool and other things. Now I want you to look at spread size and commission as well. So this is gold, and as you can see, the spread size is 0.15. Okay, it's not that high even in ASEAN session, but when you come in the London session, it will decreases as well. Okay, so this is gold. Okay, now take a look to the Euro USD, because I want you to show all pairs which are very popular actually. Okay, so this is Euro USD Pro, and it contains only 3 pips spread. Okay, so yeah, this is also good, because in the ASEAN session, what you can expect, if you are that kind of trader who trades on the 1 minute, it's very good for you. But don't trade in the ASEAN session, because these pairs like Euro USD, gold, and silver, and whatever it is, so you need to trade these pairs in London session and New York session, because these are not for the ASEAN session. Okay, now if you want to trade any indices like US 30, you can just write down here and see every currency pair contains .pro. Okay, because this is the currency pro, that this is the currency that you want to trade here. Okay, don't click on the US 30, simple. Okay, and you can check here, the spread size is pretty good even in the indices, and this is ASEAN session, again I'm repeating, and US 30 is only for the New York pair. Okay, it's New York pair, so if you want to trade US 30, consider just doing this in the New York session. So you won't have that much spreads. Okay, it's showing you 200, but it's not 200 pips. Okay, remember. So US 30 is done. Now I want you to trade those pairs which contains JPY. Okay, so let's see if I want to trade USD JPY. So if I click on the USD JPY.pro, you can check the spread size. Okay, let me show you that first. So this is the spread of spread 4. Okay, something like that. Now I want you to show commissions as well, because I showed you every single pair which are like very popular pairs. Okay, now look at the other things as well. So that was the metal. I showed you indices, and as well as this is the major pair in the forex. So let's go to the 1 minute. So I want you to show something here, and I will risk something here for you to show the commission and other things as well, what charges they take actually. So let's say like there is a consolidation, you can see like that. And if I want to place a order for the sell limit, I can do that as well. So let's say if I want to place any order, I will click on the simply I will click on the order panel. This is the order panel. And if I want to execute any order in the market, I can do that as well. Let's say if I want to risk one lot, okay, I'm not gonna click on the risk, because when I will place exactly one lot, you will get the idea what is the real thing. Okay, so I'm placing the one lot. Let's say if I want to sell here, I will click on the sell. And yeah, if you click on the one click trading, then simply you don't need to have any confirmation, it will directly open the trade. But I don't want this, so I will confirm it. Okay, and yeah, you can see we are in the loss of $7, $14 already lost. So click on this and confirm it. Okay, so now as you can see, everything is done. And right now I will show you exactly how much commission they charged here. So click on the closed position, and you can see these you can see all the metrics here. So I traded here for the one lot in USD JPY Pro, and you can check here they charged here $8 for a lot. Okay, so simply I lost $13 as well as they charged $8. So yeah, the lot size that you are gonna put, it's $8. Okay, but I recommend you to trade only some commodities and metals if you are a pro trader, because usually in the metals you don't need to put a lot of like more lot size, and there you can have a buffer, you don't need to pay extra commission to them. Okay, so you can see I even opened up lot size, it's like a interesting. Okay, I was not trading there, remember. So this is USD JPY Pro, and they took here $8 fee. So okay, you got the idea how everything is executed here and how you trade here. Okay, so I showed you every single thing. I think everything is done here. Whatever I wanted to show you, I showed you everything, commission and spread size and whatever. And remember one thing, if you have any issue regarding this thing, okay, let's say if you open your trade locker and you see something suspicious, or it's showing you your network is not stable or something like that, then mostly what happens, doesn't matter how speed you got in your network area, but what happens usually, Tradelocker is in the beta version, so it's maintaining itself again and again in every Sunday and Saturdays. Okay, so if you are coming in Saturday Sunday, you will see that, but in other days if you are seeing that, contact to the support team. Okay, if you have a good network. So yeah, it's very straightforward. You can check all the tools here, and I think I showed you every single tool and other things as well, and I hope it's very helpful for you. And if it is, then consider hitting the subscribe button, because I usually make these kind of videos to help you out. And also don't forget to like this video, because I just lost $14 for you. As you can see, balance goes to the down. Okay, so yeah, if you want me to make any video regarding your query, then consider just coming on the social media and tell me about that. Okay, so guys, that's it for the video. Till then, take care and goodbye.